Hi guys, welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie. My channel is all about ways to get free. So time freedom is the most important. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. So time freedom is when you don't have to trade your hour for a dollar amount of someone else's choosing. And that comes when you are financially free. So that's what I want this channel to be for you guys. I hope it helps you make decisions on what the best way for you is to get free, and let's get free together. Let's go. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie, and let's get right into this review. So what is Samcart? It's a simple, very beginner-friendly e-commerce checkout platform. So it basically simplifies the buying and selling process for you to sell any kind of product and customers to buy it online. The product can be a digital product, a physical product, or a service-based product. It supports all three types. The products that you're selling can be digital-based products like courses, physical products like things that you make and sell from home, or even service-based products, so like marketing or things like that. It supports all three types of products. And something that's really cool, even if you don't have a product or even a product idea, it can help you create your own product. So there's actually an onboarding experience where they go through with you what would be a good product to make or create and how you would do that. So that's really cool. You don't even need to have a product or even really an idea yet to do this. And this is basically a demo of everything that's included in Samcart and how it works. Who was it created by? Scott and Brian Moran, who are brothers. Brian was a almost professional baseball player, and he didn't quite make it, and I think it was because of an injury, I don't remember, and he decided he still wanted to make money from baseball because he loved baseball so much, so he made this ebook on like how to get the perfect baseball swing and started selling it online and started making money from that, and just decided he wanted to make that process easy for anybody to be able to do so that any Joe Schmo could have an idea or knowledge or an expertise and make it into a course or an ebook and sell it online without being tech savvy or having designers or writers or things like that. So very trustworthy, legit guys. What's different about it? Compared to other shopping cart platforms, it just has a ton more easy to use features that makes things really streamlined and easy, such as these templates that they already have tested and optimized for conversions for you. So every page and template that they've set up that you can just point, click, and drop to use has already been tested and tested again so that it's known to convert and be profitable. So a lot of the hard work already done for you, whereas other shopping cart platforms, it's like you have to figure all that out yourself and test it yourself. So with other shopping cart platforms, you kind of already have to have an idea and a product and be good at marketing and tech savvy and stuff like that. With Samcart, it's a lot different because I don't feel like you really have to have any knowledge about any of that stuff whatsoever. You don't even need an idea or a product yet because they actually give you ideas for products to create and show you how to set that up. All very step-by-step, point and click, drag and drop. So very different from other shopping cart platforms that are just very basic, like sell your product on this page. Also, their upsell option, their option for you to create upsells for your product is different than a lot of shopping cart platforms that either don't have it at all or it's a little bit more difficult to do. Samcart pretty much makes it so that you can just click and drop an upsell option as well if you have like another smaller piece of your product or a more in-depth piece of your product. if you want to start out with like an ebook, and then they have then the option to buy a full course, you know, for a higher price. You can do that in Samcart with just one little button, you know, click on the upsell, and they've optimized that whole process as well. So that's really cool. What's included? So basically there's 3 different options. The first one being a basic option and the cheapest, obviously. And then there's 2 other options that include more stuff, but basically what's included in all of them is a template library, so you can use one of over a dozen templates that have already been tested and designed for you. Also, with all the plans, there's no limit on the amount of products you can sell, so unlimited products. All of the integrations are included, so like ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, if you've got an autoresponder email, different marketing integrations, those are all included. The stats and analytics board is included in all plans. Mobile friendly checkout is included in all plans, so easily anybody doing this on a phone can buy your product. That's really important because most people are buying products on their phones. Top of the line security for transactions is included in every plan, and coupons and order bumps are included in every plan. And then also for the basic plan, there is a 1% transaction fee that is added. For the next level up plan that's called Grow, you get all your checkout pages white labeled, so this Samcart logo is removed, and you get 0% transaction fees. So no transaction fees that you are responsible for. With this next plan up, you also get the one-click upsells, which is really important. It basically encourages your customers to purchase other products that you provide with just one click after they've already completed their first purchase. So they've completed their first purchase, and then they see this next little upsell special pricing. They can click to just add that in and bump up your sale. That's not included in the first basic plan, only the second and third one. So that is a huge thing to consider. With this one, you also get A and B split testing, so you can test your checkout pages and upsells to see which ones are the most successful and making you the most money so that you can then scale the most successful ones. That is really important too. Split testing is huge when you're selling a product, so that is another big thing to consider. Another thing that is included in this one is with selling, you can actually offer free trials, paid trials, subscriptions, and also payment plans. So that is really nice for your customers. Lots of people will only buy something if they can split it up into a payment plan. Another thing that they include in this plan is they collect your prospects for you. So Samcart actually captures the information of the people who didn't complete their checkout page. So they went to the checkout page, filled in their information, and then just didn't hit the last button. Samcart will actually go back and email them and track them down and try to make sure that they complete that checkout page. So when you get that little email in your email list that says, hey, you left your cart, did you want to come back and buy this? That's what Samcart does for you here. So that is really important too. And then in the highest level plan, which is called Scale, you get everything that I've already gone over, and then you also get access to their affiliate center, which allows you to sign up affiliate marketers to sell your products for you. So basically, if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's like having your own sales team go out and sell your products for you, and you only pay them if they sell your products. So they get a commission for every product they sell. So you're not spending thousands of dollars on marketing and paying a marketing team and maybe not seeing any results. You're having these affiliates market your products for you, and you're only paying them when they make sales. So that is huge. It's just like something you couldn't pay enough to get marketing like that. You're going to get so many more sales if you sign up for this and you have thousands of affiliates selling and promoting your product for you all over the internet. I mean, I wish this was in the basic plan too. I wish this was in all the plans because this is so important, and I'm sure that's why they do it this way, because they want you to buy their biggest plan. And honestly, that was smart, because you need this, because your product's just gonna sell unless you already have a huge following on Facebook or Instagram, or you have already, a million followers and you don't need that marketing help, that traffic, then you don't need this plan. You don't need to do that at all. But if you don't have a really popular blog or Facebook page or TikTok or Instagram, you are going to need this. So how does it work overall? Basically, you watch the videos and trainings, and then you create your product in the platform here. You create your product in the platform here. Select your payment structure that you want, one-time payment plan or subscription. Then you pick a template. Then you pick a sales page template, which are all proven to be high converting. So it doesn't really matter which one, it's whatever one fits your product best. You basically click and drop it, and then you customize the checkout page with your own text. Then you pick a price, you create upsells and download coupons, you add your coupons, and then you post your page on your Facebook, your YouTube, your blog, TikTok, Instagram, or in their affiliate center to be shared. So who is this for? This is for complete newbie beginners who want to sell a product online, whether you have a product or not. Anybody who's got an expertise or knowledge in anything or passion about something. If you want to teach people how to get the perfect golf swing, or build a she shed, or become a professional hula hooper, you can literally create any product and sell it on here. So anybody who has a course or an ebook or some kind of knowledge that they want to share, and you haven't ever had that tech savvy or business part of it, then this is for you. Who is it not for? They do say on here on Samcart that you can sell services. However, it's much more easy to sell products. Digital products are best. Courses, ebooks. You can also sell physical products fairly easy. Services are a little bit more tricky. I think you have to be a little bit more creative. So depending on your service that you're providing and how creative you can be with it, it may not be for some service providers. Pros: it's extremely user-friendly. I created an ebook with Samcart over a year ago when it was their old software, and it was so easy. If I can do it, anybody can. Another pro: there's tons of software integrations for marketing tools. There's one-click upsells and bumps to boost your profits. There's all different types of payment options for your customers. There's discounts, coupon codes. Major pro is the built-in affiliate platform. The management system is just something that is so good and so needed in order to sell your product to thousands and thousands of people, to get your product out to market, which is the most important. To get your product in front of people, you need traffic. And if you don't have that, no matter what your product is or how good your product is, it's not going to sell. So the affiliate management system is a huge pro. They also have really good support through email and their Facebook group and live chat. And they have really easy to read analytics for you to see your revenue and refunds and profit. So that's a big pro. The only con really is that if you're a service provider, it's going to be a little bit more harder for you. Testimonials and other reviews. There's many positive testimonials and reviews. There's not very many bad ones. Samcart's been around for a while. The creators are very trusted. They have a real business and employees and great support. So not many bad reviews or bad testimonials. It's basically all positive. So what does it cost? The basic plan, the launch plan, is $49 a month. That's the one it's got unlimited products that you can create and sell. It's got the template library. It's got the integration. You do have the 1% transaction fee with this one. It's got the stats and analytics dashboard, mobile friendly checkout, security for payment, support. The Grow, the next one up, $99 a month. That one's got everything that the launch one has, but you also get, you don't have to have the Samcart logo on your checkout page. There's 0% transaction fees. You can add one-click upsells, which is huge. You can do split testing, which is huge. You can offer different types of selling, so you can offer free trials, paid trials, subscriptions, and payment plans. And also, Samcart will collect your prospects for you. So if somebody leaves your checkout page without buying, they will then go email them and make sure that they buy later. And then the scale plan is $199 per month. This one has everything that these two have, obviously. And then the main thing that you get with this one is that get their access to their affiliate center, which is huge. It's basically a marketing and sales team in your corner, selling your products for you and getting them out to the public. Guarantees and or refunds, you do get to try it for free for 14 days, and then they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So basically, you could try it for 14 days for free, then buy it and have 30 days more to decide if you want a refund or not. So 44 days in total to try it out and see if you like it and still get your money back, no questions asked. So my final thoughts, it's beginner friendly, it's user friendly in general, point and click, drag and drop. You can set up a sales page. You don't even have to have a product idea or product yet, and you can basically get your product online up and running after you have it all made and created within 30 minutes with their sales page. And great support, great reviews, great testimonials, and they've already done all the optimizing to make sure that the pages are high converting. So all the hard work with that has already been done for you. So my final thoughts, I highly recommend Samcart. I purchased Samcart a little over a year ago when it was their old version, and I created an ebook. It took me a couple weeks to complete the content for my ebook, but it took me only about an hour to create the entire sales checkout page on Samcart. I posted it on Facebook and sold my first copy the second day. So you can literally create a product from anything that you're passionate about or that you have knowledge about. You can create a course on how to achieve the perfect golf swing, or how to be a better public speaker, or how to do the splits in 30 days. You can do anything with it. So I just think that that's really cool that this is giving regular people like you and me, Joe Schmoes, that aren't really good with technical and business side of things, but maybe are creative and have lots of ideas, a chance to get your product on the internet and out to people. So that thing that you've always been good at or had weird knowledge or passion for but never knew what to do with it or how to make money from it, I feel like this is a really easy way for you to try and be able to do that. So I wholeheartedly believe that Samcart is a really amazing platform, and it's kind of giving people the chance to share their talents and passions with the world, their knowledge. So without technical knowledge, without thousands of dollars, without graphic designers and licensing agents and all that stuff that makes regular people like me think that selling a product online is impossible, I feel like it feels a little bit more possible now with Samcart. So I really recommend it. I hope that you liked this review, and thanks for tuning in. Go out and get free.